Make your own captain hat. Halloween parties won't be complete without costumes, and one of the favorite party accessories is the captain hat. Different designs have sprouted over the years like pirate toppers, military hats etc., but it's the same old hat with an authoritative feel that makes it a hit for both the young and old. This guide will teach you how to make your own captain hat with the least of resources. All you need to make your captain hat is a large piece of newspaper. Make sure your dad has finished reading it though. You may also make ready some coloring materials like paint, watercolors, or colored markers and prepare creative cutouts from the other sheets of the newspaper or any magazine. When you're ready, follow these simple steps. First, find the best side of the newspaper to work on. If you see an interesting story, read it first to gain some information. Doing this project while learning something valuable is a big bonus. Let the entire page face your direction. Fold the newspaper in half to form a rectangular piece of paper. Then fold the two corners towards the center, leaving at least a 2-inch space at the bottom. Make sure the folds are equally spaced to avoid having an imbalanced captain hat. Fold the bottom of the paper towards the center, overlapping the folded corners. To make your captain hat more stable to wear, you can make several smaller folds at the bottom of the newspaper. This will make it sturdier when you wear it. You need not put any adhesives on it like glue or paste, as it may just make the hat messy and it really isn't necessary. The folds are more than enough to keep the hat in place. You can open the space in between the half fold to begin wearing your captain hat. If you feel it looks like a newspaper, and it really does, you can accentuate it with paint or watercolor, whichever is available. You may color it with black paint and add some skull cutouts from any magazine to make it appear as a pirate hat. Or you may give it a red color and put a fluffy ball at the top to give it a Santa Claus feel. You can design it all you want. Wear it with a smile and feel it like the captain of your ship. You can also make some extras in case the party gets a little rough or you want to share. In designing your captain hat, the only limit is your imagination, so make full use of it. This project is a perfect way to hone your creativity and is also a perfect gift for your smaller brother or someone who likes wearing hats. In fact, you can use this to replace the traditional coned hats during birthday parties. And with all the fun there is in doing it, just don't forget to clean up afterwards to avoid being shipwrecked by your real captains, your parents.